Hey everyone, welcome to my first video ever for CompuJourney. Hopefully I'll be able to teach you guys a bit about computers after everything I've learned in my 30 plus years working with computers. Today we're going to start off with something easy. We're going to do a nice little system scan of our Windows files to make sure nothing is corrupted and slowing down our system. So if you want to follow along, there's basically 3 easy steps to do to start this off. So what we're going to do, you're going to click on the top of the window you're watching this video in, whether it's on the website or on YouTube, and drag it all the way to the right of the screen to put it on the right side, split screen. And we're going to go down to the start button here and right click, and then head over to Windows PowerShell Admin and click on that. Now, if you don't have that, you'll probably have something called Command Prompt Admin. So you can click on that. Here in the window, we're going to type the 3 letters SFC space /scan now and hit the enter button. Oh, I did a mistake there. Let's do it again. What this is going to do is this is going to scan all the files on your Windows system drive. Well, all the files. It's going to scan all the files that Windows uses that came with the installation of Windows. So if you ever had a virus or some program that corrupted a Windows file, maybe give you errors when you start Windows, could slow down the system. This checks all those files, and if it finds a problem with one of those files, it's going to try and fix it. Sometimes it's not able to fix it, but and it might tell you to restart Windows. So in that case, what I'll recommend to you is to restart Windows. Do not open any other apps, and open PowerShell and run the command again, SFC scan now. So I skipped ahead here so we don't have to wait to 100%. So there's going to be 4 messages that appear, one of 4 messages that appear after you do a scan. One of them is going to be Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, and that's what my scan just turned up here on the left side, meaning there was no Windows files that were corrupted or had problems with. Another possible message is Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. That means you had a serious problem, and like I said, reboot your computer and try again. And another message would be Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Now that's what we want to see. So there too, go ahead and give your system a reboot, and hopefully it'll be running better from now on. If you want to be extra sure, run it again. I've run it twice in a row just to be extra sure, and both times it found corrupt files. And one last thing is Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix them. Reboot. Reboot is your friend. Now give that a try. Hit the subscribe button or the like below if you like this video. Remember guys, it's the journey, not the destination. Peace.